Hey folks, welcome back to Glow Sniff Garage. I've got the Fujimi Honda SM-X Lowdown kit here, completed. Turned out to be quite a nice kit. So this video will just be a little kind of review of the kit, wee overview of how it went. If you've been watching my other videos, you'll kind of see how things came along. I'll just give you a wee bit of background in the SM-X. It's only released in Japan. They're only sold in Japan as far as I'm aware, but there's been plenty of them being exported to the UK, Australia, New Zealand, so there's quite a bit of following around these great little cars. Like I said before, I own one myself, which is why I wanted to make this model kit. They were released in 1996 and were based on the Honda Stepwagon. I think this is a shortened Stepwagon sort of chassis. The SM-X shares quite a lot of parts with the first generation Stepwagon. It's got a non-VTEC B series engine. It's 2 litres B20B. It's a similar engine to what Honda use in the CR-V. Makes around about 130 horsepower. It's not the fastest car in the world, but it's no slouch. It was available in sort of standard trim. Then you had the Lowdown version, which is what this kit is based off. The kit actually, you can make it in both ways. You can make it as the standard version or the Lowdown version. There was also a 4-wheel drive version as well, but those are pretty rare. There's quite a large following of them in the UK. There's an owners club and stuff, and yeah, they're just great little cars. I love mine. The seats fold completely flat into a bed, and some people use them as sort of little mini campers. I don't know how comfortable they would be to sleep in, like for a few nights, but I think 1 or 2 nights you're probably going to be all right. So yeah, the kit itself, I was actually really impressed with the sort of details in the body. It was a really nice cast. Some of the interior parts maybe weren't as great as I thought they would be. The dashboard and stuff was pretty basic. Some of the sort of panel lines and stuff inside the car, they were really shallow, making it pretty difficult to paint. But all in all, it was a really nice kit. I think with the age of the kit, I did have some issues with the decals. Decals were a bit of a nightmare. They were breaking as soon as I was taking them off the water slide paper. I'm just putting that down to how old the kit is, because I think this kit is probably about 20 years old. Same with some of the plastics. I had a couple of issues with things breaking. Suspension parts, a couple of bits snapped, so I had to repair those, and the window wipers, which were actually broken on the sprue, so I had to like glue them back together. A couple of the windows needed a bit of tweaking to get them to fit. The rear quarter light here didn't fit particularly well, so I had to give it a little bit of sand. The same with the rear window. There's a couple of little gaps which you probably won't be able to make out in the video. But yeah, I really enjoyed making this kit. I think because it was my own car, and getting to make a better version in my own car, I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I'd recommend going for it if you see them for sale. It's a pretty rare kit. They're not sort of readily available. I found mine on eBay, but I'm sure if you hunt about, you'll be able to find one somewhere. I might actually get another one of these kits and build another one, just because I actually enjoyed it so much. And this is just a little look at the underside of the car. I've got the cage that fits over the spare wheel there. I've got the exhaust and everything all painted up. Gave it a slight weathered look by painting some Tamiya smoke over some of the things, make it look like it's been used. So all in all, a great little kit. Definitely recommend it if you're looking to build one of these, even if you want to build something JDM that's a little bit unusual, that you don't really see much of. They are a little bit harder to find because I don't think that Fujimi makes this kit anymore, so you have to hunt about. I found mine on eBay, but you might be able to find them in other places. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe if you like these videos. I've got another kit on the way, so hopefully be doing an unboxing video in the next few days. I've also got some other videos that I'd like to make. I've got some of my other kits that I've already built that I'd like to do sort of similar videos to these, where I'll kind of give an overview and my thoughts on the build and let you know what I think about them. But yeah, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye.